everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Start to crochet a hat by make a magic circle, and make a chain. One chaining, yarn over, go into magic circle, bring yarn, pull through, 2 yarn, pull through, and then pull through. 2 stitch we have, and then start double crochet stitch, 9 double crochet stitch, 1 2 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and repeat this to end of first row. That ends round 10 double crochets you should have. Join a stitch and make a circle, chaining, yarn over, go into a stitch, pull through, and make 2 double crochet in a stitch. 1 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 2 1 2. That end round 20 double crochet you should have. Join row by slip stitch, chaining, yarn over, go into a stitch, pull through, into next stitch 1 double crochet, go into next stitch, 2 double crochet, and next stitch 1 double crochet. In this row make 2 1 double crochet, 2 1 2 1 in the stitches. That end round 30 double crochets you should have. In this row 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 1. Next stitch 2 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet, and repeat this. Two double crochet, next stitch 1 double crochet, go in next stitch, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and repeat. In this row, make a double crochet from back loops. I show from back loops. 1 double crochet in each stitch. Yarn over, 1 double crochet, from back loop, 1 double crochet, one double crochet and repeat. In this stitch, we are going to decrease the stitches. Going to stitch from back loop, bring yarn, 1, go next stitch, bring yarn, pull through all of them and make a decrease stitch. Continue with double crochet in each stitch. one chaining, join row, one chaining, and continue with double crochet in each stitch for 12 centimeters. In this row, one double crochet in each stitch. When receive a marked stitch, two double crochet in each stitch and continue. In the end row, one chain and one double crochet in each stitch and finish work.